This heritage-listed property on the southern shores of Sydney Harbour was built in 1895. Its classic lines, high doors and wide veranda make it an imposing example of late 19th century Australian architecture. When the time came to replace the old asbestos roof with slate, the owners chose the Nulok installation system for sound reasons. The house faces south and often endures high winds coming up off the water. Nulok's unique installation system locks the slates in place, providing a tighter fit to secure them against the elements. There were no issues when installing the slate on the low-pitch veranda. The Nulok system can be used successfully on a pitch as low as 5 degrees. Nulok's all-metal zinc-aluminum batten and channel base is a safer choice for any house that borders the bush, where fire is always a concern. Nowadays, Nulok is often specified for heritage roofing because of its light weight, compared to the heavier old-fashioned triple lap method, which may require additional structural support for the replacement roof. Now restored to its former glory, this stately home commands a dominant position on the hill above the sea.